Oh man. Okay. What's good, guys? Oh, no, I cut it and rebought it yesterday, actually. I got stopped out in the open, but I rebought it like I think like here-ish, and then smaller size. I don't really think that was a good thing to do, but I got caught off guard by the gap down. Um, Probably should have waited till today to rebuy. A lot of good stuff going on though. Damn it, fucking bitch. Yeah, I still think the news is a buying opportunity, but we'll see. But there's a lot of good signs in the market, man. There's a lot of great signs. P Please, fucking hood, are you serious? But look at shit like this. It needs more time, but a lot of these names are doing so well. Like I found it, I couldn't bring myself to buy Reddit like here or any or here, but right. And then you have like names like oh, this is still setting up. Obviously, like look how strong the market is in certain places. What's the other one? Yeah, these three U.S. stocks. I'm kind of wish I was in now, but whatever. And then look at Shake and Bake on Kava, right? A little bit. It's just so much strength. A-Lab? Oh, nice. Is this just upgrade? Yeah, okay. Yeah, upgrades have been kind of doing things. They've been doing things for a while. It still doesn't feel like significant news for me, but I guess if it matches the technical pattern, that's a good, you should probably try to buy that, yeah. Like Hood yesterday was an upgrade, right? Affirm yesterday was an upgrade. Uh, I forget what else, but there's a couple more upgrades that made moves. Okay, I'm not gonna buy this today, but it's not in the shitter anymore. There's so much stuff to watch. But yeah, I took a little haircut yesterday, of course. In the last 2 days, I've been getting slapped because what's been happening, right? Like those have been pulling back, VST is pulling back. I just sold some here. It's fine though. Aklo sort of pulled back, right? This didn't really. This pulled back. But I don't have much size. This is a little concerning on Rocket Lab. I don't like this guy. So it's all really good until this day, and then it rejects these tens again. But I didn't sell any into the tens. Again, I should have sold more into tens here. I just wasn't paying attention. Obviously, the China pullback kind of hurts. I still have some of this left. I reduced some Neo yesterday. I reduced some Tau. Uh, I'm trying to look into get into one of these stronger names at some point. Maybe I'll buy some Futu and should I really buy now though? I'm gonna hold off on these for now. But at least my cart is doing well, right? This is yeah, I'm not buying LC. It's too thin, but uh yeah, I'm not sure what to make of this low interest rate shit because well, Redfin is you know done for now. Z is done for now. Or yeah, it's losing the 20. Comp is these need to base at the 50 or not base. They need to form a range at the 50. But on the other hand, I don't know. Stuff like Upstart, right? Um, I have 41 names in my primary watch list now. That's a little bit annoying. Oh shit, this is still going? Short bonds. Yeah, bond traders are bond longs have not been having a good time. Losing over and over again. What's going on with dollar? Yeah, dude, things are. Look at this. This is a good setup coming up. Let's move it down here. Look at this weekly. It's not the best actually, but it keeps finding demand. Bios, it's not as good. Real estate, yeah, there's still coming back. ITB, REITs. This is set up again though. This is like this is super slow, but I feel like I'm still gonna take this one. Do I have it in here? Yeah, I do. Number two. What's AHR doing? Yeah, this is breaking down the fine. I don't know. Yeah, maybe just buy China real estate, like Becky K Holdings. This one. Look how well Qfin hold up though. This is so nice. Hold on, I'm gonna sell some cart. Yeah, it's back in play. I'm gonna wait for a firm. Alright, sold some cart, sold some EV What else should I sell some of? This might be enough. Depends, Johan. It depends. Should I sell some MSTR or should I wait for this one? I don't. No, wait. What the fuck is Bitcoin doing, dude? What is this? LC? Yeah. Could have bought Hood here today too. What is fucking are the lithium names really making a move yet? I'm gonna wait for these. I've been watching these, yeah, on the China demand, but so thin. This okay, LTHM doesn't exist anymore. This got bought up by Lithium Americas, I think. No, not this one I'm looking for. I'm gonna wait, dude. I need something liquid like ALB to set up properly. But this has a ways to go, right? Like this is below this level, so not super excited about him yet. Oh, yeah, Lunar is not looking too hot. Is this still moving? Oh, this is so nice still. I'm gonna start like demoting these names that I don't like trading. Like, yeah, let's demote this name. I think this is done too. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna. I think I like the idea of keeping MSTR over everything else. The other names are not worth it right now. Like, what is Core's doing, right? Like, it's holding up, isn't it? Oh, this is actually, it's not bad now. Okay, cool. That's a good way to draw this here. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, you got a Chewy alert recently. What is this? Yeah. What is this going off of? Oh, upgrade. Now that Roaring Kitty is out of this, maybe you can move. Dude, I want Wall Street bets to lose. I can't imagine what Wall Street thinks of Wall Street bets if I hate Wall Street bets. Well, yeah, this is an obvious level, right? 30s, low 30s. UPST. I mean, uh, not really, but it got what happened on October 4th. It got some news, right? It got an upgrade on October. Did it? No, it didn't. What the fuck? Did something happen on this day, on Friday? This stopped me out on this day. It's just kind of grinding higher. I would watch this because I think after it grinds higher, after a bit, it can make a stronger move. But I'm not like overly excited about it. I've only been gone for one day. Talking about. Oops. How do I unpin a message? God damn it. I'm gonna ditch this actually. I don't like it. I think I'm gonna buy more EH now. Yeah, I mean, I just want something besides. I think Neo is the weakest. I just should ditch it. It gave back a lot of gains. Just had to cope with it. A firm got two upgrades in a row, basically. I don't want to buy it yet. Yeah, no, ditching Neo's. I gave back so much gains on Neo. I only sold like a little over 10% around here. It's so sad. Whatever. Yeah, this is fresher, so it's got that going for it. But it's kind of it needs some time. Nvidia, I mean, I just don't care about it that much right now. Where is it? Oh, this is three. That's right. Fundamentals, dude. I don't. No, I'm not gonna do a fundamental analysis on Nvidia. I don't know what the fuck, dude. Is it overvalued? It's Nvidia, man. I don't think I have an edge right now. I thought it was in distribution though. But who knows? It could be wrong. I'm just not really into it. Why would I buy Nvidia right now when I could buy something like Tiger or Qfin or Futu now that they're finally pulling back? These stocks have not let you in. It's like so crazy, right? Like now we're finally getting a chance. I'm gonna try to get into these at some point. I mean, I still think this is gonna make a good move too. It's like a 20 day. No, I'm just gonna, yeah. This ditching this was the right. Where are you seeing that? What do you mean lithium's moving? Is it? I don't know. Is lithium moving or are you just making shit up? What's move? Oh, ALTM. This is a buyout though. Oh no, you're right. It's moving, I guess. It is moving a little bit. But this, I guess, so this is like Rio's acquiring this, right? Like this isn't really a trade. Or at least not, you don't really have an edge in this, right? Because if this is the rumor, today I think it's confirmed, right? Uh, yeah, but yeah, you're right. This shit is moving. I don't know if I'd consider this a big, I need these two to move, man. I don't want to trade these shitters. Yeah, yeah, no, you're right. I see it. PLL. These have never been great trenders though. If you look back, this one wasn't the best one. I was so hyped for this right here. That was so stupid. This was one of the biggest disappointments. Let me see these links. What is this Reddit? What is Pooh AI ass Pooh Bear? Oh, I hate AI art. Yeah, yeah, that ALB setup. I was so cringe. I barely took any profits. I think I took a tiny bit off. Oh, nice. Yeah, October 12th. Yeah, EVgo is nice. I sold a little bit more today just because I'm a little scared of this name. I feel like it has the potential to be illiquid. It's my smallest position. But what else did I? Okay, yeah, yeah. No regrets cutting this. What's this doing? More time. I think I can demote this for solar. And then Weight Watchers, if I demote this. Clove is still. Oh my God, I should be in this. Jesus. Yeah, I guess it's time to demote. It's time to demote these three names too. I hate to do it, but or let's move this here. I'll keep BNTX. I can't trade Butterfly. Pretty sure it's way too thin. Yeah, it's thin as fuck. Yeah, I see it. I'm just not super stoked on it. Dude, yeah, the poo Xi Jinping thing is pretty funny because all these American retards believe that it was like banned in China because Americans will believe anything. The truth, no one gives a shit in China. Oh, here we go. Lunar got some bids. Dude, is it finally time for Lunar? All the scrubs should be shaken out by now. Yeah, AOI caught some bids, I know. No. This has been a pain in the ass. I think I'm willing to rebuy it, but just buy it higher. Or no, this is, what's the highs on this? 17, 18. Yeah, EVgo is having a good one, I know. People bought the dip. No, I trade in TWS. I used to use Trading Views something like for a bit, and Trading Views it's just so fucking slow, dude. It's like I need to be able to execute faster, and I was like gonna start setting up hotkeys, but didn't get around to it. But I don't think I actually need that. Okay, I feel a lot less Delulu now that I'm not trying to convince myself that Neo is a good stock to hold. So stupid that I gave back so much on it. So October 12th, what day is it today? It's the 9th, so 3 days. It's a Saturday. Okay, that's fine. When is Cybertruck event, by the way? The Cyber Robotaxi event is tomorrow? Tomorrow, right? I just have a feeling it's gonna gap up and just do something stupid. Alright. Dude, is it just me or does Elon, regardless, like obviously I fucking hate Elon Musk, but like he looks like he aged like 50 years in like 1 or 2 years. The man looks horrible. This is what fashion does to a motherfucker, dude. He looks like he's been sitting like yeah, just pruning in water a year. It's just yeah. Oh yeah? Hmm. Yeah, maybe he's on some shit. Yeah. Yeah, basically. Dude, that motherfucker is okay, this Brian he's the guy I'm thinking about, right? He's the billionaire who's like got his son to give him blood, right? Yeah, this motherfucker, dude. Wait, he eats 2 footlongs? Dude, what the fuck? I'm sorry, but like Subway is so fucking mid. If you're a billionaire, you're eating that shit. What the fuck? Why are you eating that shit though? You can eat so much better, man. Yeah, dude, Jimmy John's is even better, dude. Jimmy John's is better. Maybe he just likes it because he relates to, the pedo, the old pedo ass mascot, dude. No, I'm not gonna do that shit, dude. I'm gonna age better. I'm not white. Yeah, Jersey Mike's. Yeah, I agree. Jersey Mike's is better too. Yes, but I don't know. I'm not trying to get any subs. It's too much sodium and too much like just. Yeah, I'm not trying to eat that much. What the? I've been eating pretty well lately, but I've been spending so much money. I've been just going out all the time. It's not white. I'll tell you that much. How many minutes do I dedicate to my body each day? Well, I either go on like so I can bike for like an hour and a half now. Lately I haven't been biking. Uh well I do cook too, but what was I saying? Yeah, a decent amount of time. I've been taking care of my body better this year. Like I was in an accident last year and I couldn't fucking walk for like 2 months, so I like kind of let my health go to shit. But no, now I'm back. I'm pretty healthy again. So, but yeah, I've been eating out so much. Yeah. No, I was in a cycling accident last year, yeah. Um, I usually go for like a pretty long walk, or I go like 1 or 2 walks a day. I walk like 5 miles a day generally, like 8 kilometers for the Euros. Um, well, I stopped smoking a ton of weed, except for like I used to smoke because I was smoking a shit ton of weed when I was just like I couldn't walk and I was just at home. I was like, okay, I can't fucking walk, so I'm just gonna get high and order food all the time. That wasn't so good. Um, It's kind of funny, actually. Yeah, I quit nicotine I quit nicotine in Europe, which is interesting. And then I haven't really been smoking weed either, except when this girl comes over because she's a fucking stoner. She always wants weed, so I smoke a lot with her. But other than that, I don't really smoke weed. No, no, I love weed. Don't get me wrong. It's just I had to like it's just like I was smoking like every day, like just every fucking day, like in the daytime. Do I walk? Yeah, I listen to music. Um, I had started listening to audiobooks again, even though I kind of hate audiobooks in general because I can't focus on them. But during walks, I can. Been like listening to. Well, I've been just quote unquote reading, listening to the Vincent Bevins book, right? The Jakarta Method, which is about. It's a political history book. But I listen to a lot of music. Yeah. Does it help with trading? I think being away from the screens generally helps, but like I missed. Oh no, today's good. It's got some bids. I like on some days, it's nice to be away from the screens. Yeah, it's good. Oh, you mean getting stoned? I think it's pretty neutral. It's pretty neutral for me, getting stoned for trading. Because I used to be like in college, I was a pretty big stoner, and I would do all my like computer science assignments high, and I was fine doing it. Like in fact, it relaxed me, and I could just follow the instructions. Podcasts, no, not really. I used to super cringe, but I used to listen to a lot of sports podcasts. I used to listen to Bill Simmons podcast and The Ringer, Low Posts. I used to like, I can't listen to that shit anymore. I fucking hate like, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't fucking stand Joe Rogan podcast. It's just a bunch of uneducated bullshit. I can't stand like the top four podcasts in America are just right wing horseshit. Like Candace Owens, really? Like, come on, man. Like this shit. And then what's the other one? Tucker Carlson has a really popular podcast. It's just like it's just a constant stream of bullshit from them. Like they'll have some people that'll say some ostensibly like views that like people are like, oh yeah, that this sounds correct, but like Tucker Carlson is like his dad is in the CIA. You guys are just getting the same, like, you know what I mean? It's Yeah, I'd rather listen to Talk to Her than Joe Rogan, dude. Yeah, yeah. Like I honestly don't think Rogan is like he probably doesn't even know what he's doing, but he like just platforms white supremacists and fascists over and over again. Occasionally he has someone good on, like Abby Martin, but I haven't. What are you talking about, dude? I haven't. I literally only missed yesterday. I was streaming on Monday too. I just streamed like pretty short. It was like a 30-minute stream, but yeah. No, it's not just he doesn't just platform like fascists. Musk Musk is like also like yeah, there's more censorship. There's just as much censorship on Twitter now as before. It's all like like Palestine pro-Palestine voices have been getting censored nonstop on Twitter. It's so fucked. But, right wing doesn't care about that. So, but the thing is, free speech just doesn't exist. Free speech, like it's not. It's a stupid ass thing to like talk about, honestly, because it's always free speech for me, but not for thee. And absolute free speech shouldn't exist. Like fascist shit should be oppressed and censored. That's like it's not like never mind. I'm not gonna go into a big rant about this now. Anything about American politics that I like. I mean, like not mainstream American politics, but America, there's like a long tradition of like organized and radical resistance in American politics. Just a lot of it has been fucking snuffed out by the FBI and the CIA, right? Like any real threat to American power has been wiped out right now. For example, like the Black Panthers, like 30, 40, 40, 50 years ago, they were a real threat. And the FBI just like assassinated their leader, right? Infiltrated their groups because they were actually organized. That's the threat. And what else? Weather Underground, like movements like this, the American Indian movement, right? Like, yeah, moderate Democrat, dude. Harris is so far to the right. Harris, it's like I don't think people realize this. I'm gonna say this again. Like, if you like the people who think Kamala Harris is a communist are fucking stupid as fuck. Like they're the stupidest fucking retards I've ever spoken with. Like she's further to the right than Ronald Reagan. That's how right wing she is. Ronald Reagan was further to the left than she was. It's just fucking insane. She's been endorsed by the Heritage Foundation motherfuckers, the people who basically created Project 2025. She's been endorsed by Dick fucking Cheney, like, and you think she's a communist? Are you fucking stupid? Like, really? Like, so there's not much I like about mainstream American politics. Even like in the past, like radical movements, right? If you like study American history, like read Howard Zinn, this to start, right? You'll find that legislation, voting, shit like this does not change a fucking thing. And what changes things is radical organized resistance, usually militant resistance. And in the past, like is a lot more like protests have a lot more like 2020 BLM vibe, right? Like we're gonna fucking riot unless you give us justice. And that's kind of been snuffed out. Like even I had to say with like the Palestine organizing, it feels like a lot of it just isn't threatening enough. With some exceptions, like those I think it was in England, those people that broke into the Elbit factory and actually destroyed um, parts of the plant that were manufacturing Israeli weapons. A lot of it has just been largely defanged, either by design or just, by the weakness of the American left. But it used to be when there was a protest about something, the ruling class would listen and would be scared. Yeah, exactly. The left are the American left wing is like the Biden Harris administration and Harris's upcoming campaign. I'm not exaggerating. They are far right. They're not even just right wing. They're not moderate. They're far right at this point. There is nothing on their platform that is even moderately left wing. Because the national debt doesn't matter, dude. As long as the dollar is king, national debt doesn't matter. And when the dollar isn't king, well, some bigger problems to tackle. They literally have open borders. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? The Democrats are trying to outflank the Republicans on the right on border security. You have no clue what you're talking about. Both parties are trying to be quote unquote like, oh yeah, we got to tighten up our border security. Do you not see what's been going on under Biden? Like, yeah, no, none of these people want my. They're the fucking same. If you honestly think that the Democrats want open borders, you're fucking stupid as shit, and you gotta stop listening to whatever the fuck you're listening to and get a grip on reality. Nothing here. This is dead for now, but you sent an alert for like, yeah, I'll move my alert down. Yeah, this one I saw it, yeah. Uh, that's pretty bad. Bad. Yeah, I mean, no, I mean it's okay. It just like is this like the PT or is did they just launch the some AI centric switches really? Like I don't know. It's I'm not super stoked on this. Yeah, I mean it's I don't think it's a horrible idea, but A lab I would wait. Dude, I need the CEG to catch a bit. What the fuck? I don't know. I don't know if AI as a sector is like a thing right now. I mean, there's like Nvidia and Palantir, yeah, but Palantir is more about killing people than AI at this point. Killing people with AI. Oh, looks like this is very sad. I was really hoping this Bavarian Nordic would be a trade, but whatever. I mean, what are semis doing, right? Like, I don't know. They're well, it's not. I don't want to trade semiconductors again. Yeah. Except for ARM, I'm willing to trade. I just maybe one more day. Yeah, it feels like we should be like. Yeah, it feels like we should be able to get some. I mean, like you're rewarded for holding stuff like this for like 1 or 2 months, right? I want to be holding things for at least a month. Like Rocket Lab was, it's a good. It started moving in August. Yeah, it's been trending for months. Hey, maybe this will actually set up like a few more days here below tens. I might actually want it. What's liquidity like? It's not bad. It's good. It's good. Well, I don't see anything here. I think this one needs like a yeah. It just I was excited about this here, but yep, it's failed. I wouldn't worry about this until it gets past 30 at least, because like Roblox, right? Same kind of deal. Like it's just like it got to the top of the range, and then it just got sold off. Now it's trying to make a higher low. What is hurting me today? It's still just CG and VST. Okay. Come on, man. Yeah, I was about to get out of my drawdown. No longer. Ooh. Mm, yeah, I don't know if you need to rush into this. Uh, just watch it. 10 days good. Do like another inside day here would be great. 2 inside days, break, it's a buy. Like I feel like it needs to find buyers at 8 again. Dude, really? Come on, man. This is should have sold more here. Ugh, annoying. Dude, are these gonna go to the 20 day? That would be a lot of pain for me. Really? This is getting bids? I just don't want this yet. I feel like it can wait. There's some good signs though, in like stuff like net. Right? Look at all the big green bars here. This should go at some point. This is a good flag. What about ZS? That's getting clobbered. Yeah, well, I don't know if GEV is only nuclear though. Isn't don't they do other things? This is just like wind power. It's like 'cause it's a GE it's their fucking spin-off, right? I mean it's strong. No, I have it in my nuclear watch list. I think they do some. I just didn't look into how much of it is actually nuclear. I might have to demote these real estate stocks. Wait till end of day. Did anyone catch this parabolic on Monday? This is actually a true parabolic in retrospect. I'm just not good at this. So you even tried to break highs and failed. So it's just like gives you entry here. Third day gap up, right? Dude, why is net catching bids? Stop, 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 stop. Yeah, you can click this. Interesting. I haven't seen this. Um, yeah, I don't want to look into it now, but Hold on, I'll put it in here. Yeah, it might be definitely it says nuclear in the description. I don't know why it's going. Yeah, hold on. Actually, let's look it up. October 7? No real reason. Oh, whoa, I didn't see this. Really? Yeah, I don't think like even I wouldn't have taken this today. It's not I don't think space is super hot right now. I wonder if there's a trade to be had for the next fucking hurricane. Florida is going to be destroyed. Maybe some construction company oh, that's when the nuclear catalyst was? Gotcha. I take your word for it. I'll put it in nuclear. Market cap? Wait, no, this is momentous. Market cap for Mir is 3 billion. Go to mid cap. Yeah, D-Dog is choppier though. And net's pretty choppy too, actually. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, Milton is especially in Florida. People in Florida are on average more retarded than people in other states. Floridians are getting the first taste of fascism in America. You guys are banning books, dude. Fucking why is this going? I think wait, what is this? I mean, Miami's supposed to be fine, right? Is what they're saying. But like Tampa, if you stay in Tampa, you're probably gonna die. And of course, like this is why I fucking can't stand liberals who think like the Democrats are better. Like what the this is the same response as Bush had to Katrina, which is a non-response, just letting people die. Meanwhile, like Israel gets 9 billion in weapons. House is gonna spend what another like fucking like it's like 1.6 billion on anti-China propaganda. It's just fucked, dude. This country is fucked. Hmm. Interesting. The House has been spending, the government, sorry, the government has been spending about 300 to 400 million dollars a year on anti-China propaganda for a while now, and the House passed a like 1.6, 1.7 billion dollar act because to protect it's basically to protect U.S. hegemony. This is why I, like if you look at what basically basically when the West United States realized that China was in control of its capital and they were actually socialists. They weren't going to let American corporations just put all their tentacles into the country and exploit their workers, take the resources, right? You started seeing a huge surge in anti-China shit. Most of it just either like sometimes entirely made up, sometimes just exaggerated. Like this is why like dipshit Americans believe that the social like oh there's a social credit score, oh that's affecting everyone's lives, it's dystopian. Like no, that's not. You're fucking retarded if you believe that. But if you go back 20 years, 30 to 20 years ago, right, before China was a threat to U.S. hegemony, when China, in the 10 to 15 years after China liberalized and its economy opened up, right, that's when, basically you saw very little negative coverage in the Western press about China because U.S. companies were making a shit ton of money, trading, exploiting, right? It just started all of a sudden, not all of a sudden. It started slowly. It basically, as soon as BRI, the Belt Road Initiative, as soon as BRICS, shit like this got some momentum, America was threatened, right? This is why you see all the, even like liberal publications like The Atlantic about, oh, China's debt trap in Africa. It's just fucking bullshit. What BRI and BRICS and China and, regardless of what you think about these countries, what they offer is to developing countries is a road path of development that's free of the IMF and the World Bank. They offer a much better path to development, and it's not even close. And that's a threat. Yeah, I don't know what IDT is, but it's pretty thin. I don't think it's gonna say anything yet. That's all it says. It's some fintech company. I don't know. It's too thin. Yeah, Rocket Lab today. Yeah, it's finding bids, forming a range. It's very good. Please catch a bid. Yo, when does daylight savings time change? It was coming up, right? November 3rd? Okay. Yeah, I fucking hate it. I hate it. I hate this shit, dude. It's gonna be dark for an hour and a half after I wake up. Oh my God. Whatever. What is fine. I'm gonna start like, I'm gonna start complaining more and more about the cold and the darkness in the upcoming weeks. It's fucking freezing where I live. It's like, this is fucking LA, dude. Why is it so cold? What the fuck? Yeah, dude, FinTwit is stupid as shit. It's like, I see like the stupidest fucking things every time I like get a glimpse of it, and I just end up muting the person. People love writing like these long form tweets and having like a presence on FinTwit. And it's like, yeah, I ignore all the noise. I don't care about anything besides setups. Setups over friends. Blah 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 blah. You gotta, and then it's like, no, shut the fuck up. I'm telling you guys, there is zero value on FinTwit. Zero. Maybe negative value. Just like there is zero value in this stream. This is for entertainment purposes. Yeah, I've been to several Asian countries. I've been throughout Southeast Asia, China. I haven't been to Korea or Japan yet. I will go though. Yeah, I just don't get why people write those posts though. Like, for me, I always focus on the setup, blah 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 blah. Are you asking me or are you asking someone else about my life? Uh, I make lunch, I go on a long walk, usually. I've been doing a lot of shopping lately. Dude, fucking Palantir. I used to do more hobbies. I used to practice my instruments and shit, but I haven't been doing that since Um, I do a lot of I do some social things, I guess. Uh, yeah, I used yeah, but no, lately I have like a decent amount. I sometimes I feel like I have too much free time. I've been watching the Netflix show about the Menendez brothers, the two motherfuckers in LA that killed their parents like a couple years back. Um, yeah, I don't know. I've been hanging out a lot with the situationship. I feel like it's getting yeah, it's getting pretty intense. I think I need to maybe take a step back. But I've been also thinking about taking some classes at community college. Just like I wanted to take some like art classes and maybe some language classes before I get too old to learn. I was gonna start practicing. I was gonna start practicing violin again. I played violin as a kid, and I was gonna try out for like the local community college symphony because I feel like that would give some structure in my life, and I need that. But I haven't been able to practice because of my injury. Um, so yeah, a lot of yeah, it was my first instrument. So I used to do more music things with my free time. I've just been inactive. Yeah, yeah. I just need to get back into these things. I feel like I'll be more fulfilled, I guess. Yeah, I was gonna start playing. I was gonna start practicing piano again too. But I don't know. It's a lot of things that I want to do that I just been dragging my feet on. I was maybe gonna get lessons from one of like there's this pianist. What the fuck is his name? Shyness would know who he is. Keffer? What? He's a pretty like well-known pianist. But anyway, he lives in LA. I was maybe gonna hit him up for some lessons. I do game, but I stopped gaming recently because I was playing a shit ton of Helldivers. But because of my I was like I felt myself beginning to get. I thought it was like carpal tunnel at first, but it wasn't. It's still from like my neck injury. But it's no good posture wise. When I mentioned my turns, that was definitely that was gross. Yeah, yeah. Like just raw percentage wise. Yeah. Yeah, it's bad for my wrist. I've like I don't know. I'm on my phone a lot, so it's the whole thumbs thing. It's not so good. Trying to be better about that. What is that game? I go through like periods of Well, I'm not gaming on purpose anymore, like I said, because of my fucking injury. But like, I used to go through periods of like binging a game, right? Like I would just find a game I like and binge it. I wasn't really much of like a competitive online gamer. AR? Well, I always wanted to play Half-Life Alyx because that's supposed to be really good. I guess it's VR, but yeah, I just can't be gaming right now. Yeah, I just looked it up. Mechabellum, it looks interesting. Doesn't grip my. I mean, I try. I would try it out. I just can't be gaming right now. I'm getting better. All my issues with my wrist and elbow and shit. So I just don't want to make it worse. I should continue to not game. Yeah, yeah, exactly. But yeah, I like going out a lot. Um, dude, really? Oh man, I don't want to buy this. Come on, man. Oh man. Man, oh man, oh man. Really? No, I'm not gonna buy it. Yeah, APM, yeah, that's not my thing. That's for the sweats, dude. My brother's been trying to get me to play this fucking game about what's it called? It's the new Valve game. It's like a cross between a MOBA and an FPS. This sounds super fucking sweaty, dude. I don't want to play that. Deadlock, yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, he's been playing that a lot. Uh, it's sweaty, right? It's a sweat game. It looks hard. It just looks like I'd be bad. Yeah, no, I feel it. I feel that. I don't know, but like today, like if you're asking about my day, what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna stop streaming. It's just like 10, 15 minutes tops, and then I'm gonna make some food. I'm gonna go on a walk, do some stretches. It's pretty gray outside right now, unfortunately. Then I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna buy a new chain today, I think. I'm looking for some more jewelry. I don't know where I'm gonna go yet. I kind of want to buy a new hat. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then tonight, I might go watch a movie, depending on. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. My parents, I don't think they don't really care anymore because I've been making money. But they kind of said that oh yeah, I know Megalopolis is god awful, unfortunately. I was kind of looking forward to Megalopolis. I mean, like a lot of people were, but yeah, I'm not gonna watch it. Oh really? Hmm. Dude, I'm down with that, dude. Aubrey Aubrey Plaza's, even though she's like older now, she's still like super fine. Yeah, I want to see that. I'm down with that. Yeah. I just wait till it comes out on streaming then probably. But yeah, my parents don't care too much, I guess. They just I just someone said to me, not my parents, but like one of my I was in Paris with my friend and her parents recently. So I spent a lot of time with them. And I hadn't spent that much time with her parents since I was a kid. And basically they were saying yeah, you need to find something that is going to give you some kind of fulfillment. Otherwise, you're just going to be cynical and shit. I'm like, okay, that kind of makes sense. So I do need to find something besides just trading to do whatever it is. It could just be like the fucking community college symphony. That's what I'm hoping. I think that will give me some amount of structure and fulfillment that I'm lacking. And yeah, I have like a little over a fifth of my account in Oklo. I sold a little bit, but yeah, I still have a decent. Top three positions are still CEG, VST, and Oklo. For better or worse. Last good movie Francis Ford Coppola made. That's a good question. That's a good question. What was it? Apocalypse Now, maybe? Was it really Apocalypse Now? That was a... Yeah, I think it's Apocalypse Now. I don't like any of his movies after that. I'm muted? No, I'm not. Okay, yeah. So my friend's parents who were telling me that. Well, the dad was telling me that he's like a big he's a big shot at was it AMD or Intel early on? One of the earlier companies. He's in semiconductors, and since I've known him for a long time, he used to be super cynical, and now He's less cynical because he found like a pet passion project doing something with AI, I think. But I don't know. Because they made a lot of money, so they're like, I think we're just trying to say that just having money is not going to make you happier, I guess, which is obviously true. Anyway, I play violin, piano, and guitar, I guess. I'm technically I am the best at violin. I can play like when I was good, when I was practicing, so that was like end of high school. That was probably when I was at my best. I could play like a decent chunk of the standard repertoire. Like, 24 caprices I could play, not like super well. I could play like I was working on the Tchaikovsky concerto. What else? Like Mozart, I played through all of the Mozart concertos, which if you play like classical music, you know that Mozart is deceptively difficult because you have to play it perfectly. I was playing Sibelius, Sibelius violin concerto, shit like that. Dude, I have worn a G string before. It's pretty comfortable, Yeah. Uh, no, I'm not Taiwanese, and neither are the my friend's parents. No, but they're not white, no. But yeah, nice French horn. French horn sounds great. I know some horn players. What is it? Is that like because I used to play in a youth symphony too. What's the really famous French horn solo? Is it Tchaikovsky 4? Is that what I'm thinking about? I don't remember. Yeah, dude, I'm a grower, not a shower. That's for sure. I do look at some breath indicators. I look at like MMFI mostly. But I don't look at like RSI. No, I have an average sized penis, guys. But women don't want a super big penis, man. That's not really like women want something like, just like fucking 6 inches and decent and like some amount of girth. No pencil dick shit. Yeah, I don't watch new highs, new lows. Maybe there's an edge in that, but I just don't really care for it. God, okay. Thank God this got bought up. Okay. Dude, should I buy dipshit? No, I'm not gonna buy dipshit. Yeah, mostly chart. I don't really consider Hood to be a part of any kind of real broader theme because Robinhood is, well, they're a brokerage, right? They have their fingers in other things, right? They have like they bought a crypto exchange, I think. They have a credit card, so they have like some amount of lending. But yeah, it's just strong. And it's chart is great. Chart is absolutely fantastic. And this kind of thing, like I bought Hood. I started buying Hood at here, this 24, 28 level. Because I didn't really want to buy it on this, because like I don't know, this is not super great, but like after it hits this level, I kind of had to buy it. But this kind of thing where it like breaks out here and then comes back and undercut these lows and then finds support on the 10-day again, it's actually really, really good. So it's like fuck it, I'll buy it. But my average is 2450. So today it went below my average, which is annoying. Yeah, maybe, but Chivo is like, it's not even close to the same chart, right? Like, you're just talking about like a few days price action. I thought you were talking about GEV for a second, which also is not really true. Like, this is not, I don't like this at all. It's strong, but Hood, you're watching, like, this is what you're seeing, right? Like, you're seeing this fucking base. You're seeing all the green buying volume here, right? It made this big move and it had to base a little bit more, and yeah, no, it's good. I'm pretty happy about Hood. I think it's gonna be maybe Palantir type thing. Yeah, Hood is very good. This is I kind of want to I'm like I'm interested in this though too. So if I just don't know, it's just choppy as fuck. But this is like a student loan stock, right? Biden's gonna restart student loans or has been restarting student loans. Yeah, it does. It does trend awfully. Yep, for now. But it had a good trend here, right? So, but yeah, you're right. It's I'm just gonna watch it. Okay, okay. I should get going. This is too much time on the computer. Let me take one more look. NCLH. Why is this going again? Is it because uh was it upgrade? What about okay? Are they all moving? Well, yeah, they're like kind of choppy. They're not really momentum names, but like RCL's strongest. I don't. I'm not saying you shouldn't trade them. They offered a decent trade last year or the year before, but yeah, it's not the best. Oh, nice. I'm not stoked on it though. Yeah, but I know some people like to trade these that I are good traders. Um, yeah, it's not my thing. I talked about AWeb already. It's not really my I don't really like it on the upgrade, but you know, keeping it on watch, right? It's certainly like it's certainly not bad, right? It's a good IPO, but it's kind of making a base here. It's got good volume, buying volume here and here. And I don't see anything special yet though. Like why would you? I'd rather have my money in Instacart, right? Like this is such a good setup. This is such a good IPO. It's breaking past IPO highs, right? I bought it here and here. It's sold some today. Um, you know, uh, rather be in other things. Anyway, I'm a dip, guys. Make some food later.